Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome back to our channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and join the family to stay connected whenever we upload a new content, inshallah. As the title of the video says, Ramadan Preparation. So, Ramadan is quickly a project. Here are some 5 tips to help us prepare for Ramadan and make it productive, inshallah. Tip number 1. Fast your days, previously missed days. If you still have days from last Ramadan that you haven't fasted, now is the time to do it before the next Ramadan starts. So, cross those days off your calendar, inshallah. And if you don't have days that you need to make it up, it could be a good practice to fast some voluntary days and try to ease into Ramadan. Step number 2. Reduce your eating. Start to have a smaller meal. Maybe have a small breakfast and even skip lunch, and then have an early dinner. Try to start reducing your meal from now so that you can slowly build up to Ramadan. You don't want the first day of Ramadan to hit you so hard, so ease to it and prepare your body for it by reducing your meal from now. Tip number 3. Set your goals. Take some time to sit down and first reflect on last year Ramadan. What did you want to achieve last year? And did you really achieve it? If you didn't, why didn't you? So reflect on that and learn from that. Then think about what you want to achieve this year, inshallah. It is the same as last year or something different. Make a plan for it. What are you going to do day by day to make sure you achieve your goals, inshallah? Tips number 4. Meal plan. You don't want to be spending much time in the kitchen in Ramadan. You want to free up your time to focus on Ramadan. So before the month starts, plan your meal. What will you have for a start every day? And pick things that are quick and easy to make so that you can minimize the hours you spend in the kitchen and also minimize the time you spend every day sitting and thinking of what you are going to cook. Tip number 5. Prepare a worship area. This particular tip is very important. You want to spend a lot of time praying, reading Quran, performing a lot of worship activities. So, you want to make sure that you have a clean and special area organized just for worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Therefore, these are the 5 quick and easy steps to make before Ramadan. I hope you have found something benefiting from this tip I shared with you today. Jazakumullahu khair. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.